Good evening, everybody. How are you? All right. We do have some stuff to talk about tonight. So I've got a pretty good crew, 146 of you. All right. So we'll dive in here and we'll say hi to a few people. Let's see, who do we got? There's Jen Forever Young, always faithful checking in. 11 degrees in Guys Mills from Catherine. Good evening to you. No more messy weather, says Larissa. You're not going to like what I have to say. Sorry. Hello, Terry. Good evening, Larry. Let's see. 0 in French Creek. Yeah, it's still cold tonight. You know, we've got some clearing, but a couple of really nice days coming up here tomorrow and Tuesday as well. So something to look forward to before a messy storm comes in for midweek. Hello, Roxanne. Hello, Mary. Good evening to Katie. Mark checking in. Happy Sunday evening to you. Make it stop, says Sabrina. I know. I wish I could. Hello, Phyllis. Yeah, I'm trying to stay warm, Amber. I hope you are. Michael checking in. Diane's checking in on a chilly night. It is. Jerry, hey, what's up, man? Let's see. Who else do we have? Needs spring ASAP. Well, we're almost there. Almost. Hello, Sandy. Christine's checking in. Jerry, who says we've had enough. We've had enough. Let's see. Carla's checking in from Warren. Hello, Bunny. Jay is here. Good evening to you. Yeah, we'll see, Wendy. Could be a little icy. It's a complicated storm, so I'll do my best to kind of break it down, at least the way what we're seeing right now. Donna, hello to you. Hey, Deborah. Hello, Bob. Let's see. Victoria's checking in from Ashtabula. Oh, I'm sorry, Carrie. Sorry to hear that. Hello, Rebecca. Yes, Adam, it can. And I'm not even attempting to put snow numbers out. Not even going to attempt it. I didn't forget about you, Larissa. I'm here. Okay, so here's kind of a snapshot, if you will, of what we're expecting. So tomorrow's fine. Tuesday should be nice, partly sunny. Temperatures are going to be in the low 40s, even into Wednesday. So that's why I'm thinking it's primarily a rain shower on Wednesday. It's late Wednesday and then into Wednesday night that has me concerned because it's going to be tricky. There is a cold front that is slowing down, and that cold front is like right on top. We are literally on the line. So this is going to be a crazy forecast. We're going to be pulling our hair out with this one as we go into Wednesday night. And then Thursday looks like we're going to get the snow. Again, too early, and I've already seen some idiotic posts on Facebook with snowfall amounts for a storm that's, still 3-4 days away. Don't believe them, okay? They're not even meteorologists, well, at least to my knowledge. But anyway, I'll get off my high horse about that. So there's a look downtown tonight. Fairly quiet night, not much wind, so that's nice. So yeah, it's cold, but at least we don't have as much of a wind chill to deal with tonight. Should just be partly cloudy. 12 right now, a little bit of haze and some fog. Again, not much wind being reported. I should probably hit the fog a little harder tonight in the forecast. So so we're at 12. It's still cold out there. We've had some clearing. But you know what? It should be a really nice day tomorrow. And like you just saw, Tuesday should be nice as well. 12 right now in Erie, 15 in Meadville, 10 in Warren, 14 in Jamestown. It's 12 in Franklin. So another cold night. But once we get into the day tomorrow, I think we should have a partly sunny sky. Temperatures will be up to near 30. And then into the low 40s by the time we get to Tuesday. So great day to get out and get some things done tomorrow, Tuesday. Maybe go wash the car. Mine is a mess. If you have any residual snow piles or some ice that you want to take care of, Monday and Tuesday, probably the best day to do it. Best days to do it, because once we get into Wednesday, particularly late Wednesday through Thursday and maybe even Friday morning, things are going to get a little bit tricky. A very, very complicated forecast. So here's the setup. Here's the breakdown. We'll show you weather in motion for you tonight. Again, no problems. Partly cloudy, going to be cold. Monday should be partly sunny. We should be up near 30. And then the warmest moments always ahead of a cold front. That will be Tuesday into Wednesday. I think we're in the low 40s. But Wednesday, there's going to be rain developing through the course of the day. Now, watch what this front does. And here's the tricky part of this forecast. Watch this front. See how it slows down and it just sits right on top of us? That stinks, man, because it makes my life a living hell. Makes this forecast so complicated, because that front is literally the dividing line between rain, wintry mix, and all snow. And it's right over top of us. So any wiggle, 20, 30 miles with this front is going to make a huge, huge difference. So it's a tricky forecast. A lot could change. Maybe the front keeps moving, which would mean that, the storm system would move along. But all indications are that this front is slowing down, and it's going to get stuck basically right over us, at least from the data I've received late today and tonight. So that is going to be the complicating factor, because there's going to be these little areas of low pressure that ride along the front. Now, this is not like a huge, big, deep area of low pressure like a nor'easter like they just got the past 24 hours on the East Coast. The problem is because the front's slowing down, we're going to kind of have repetitive precipitation. And I got to use the P word because, well, we're just not sure yet. So a lot to kind of iron out as we go through the next couple of days. But this is what I'm talking about. I mean, look at how close we are. As we go into Wednesday night and Thursday, I do think that the colder air does come in. So Thursday's probably like late Wednesday into Thursday. That is going to be kind of the punch in the gut with this storm. Again, way, way too early for numbers. Please do not believe the crazy Facebook meteorologists that are posting outrageous numbers. Weather does not work that way. So we'll hopefully have a better idea, and we will have a better idea as we get a little closer to this. But it could be an everything but the kitchen sink storm, like I was saying yesterday. Once the cold front does settle south on Thursday, that's when we're going to wrap in the snow and another shot of brutally cold air coming in for the end of the week. So there's your Monday. Beautiful day. Partly sunny. Temperatures will be up near 30. And then as we get into the day on Tuesday, we should get into the low 40s. So, that's not bad. Nice little thaw, nice little break from the cold that we've had. So a couple of winters coming up tomorrow and Tuesday, and then we'll keep an eye on the computer models as we go into midweek, because it looks like rain to start on Wednesday, changing to a wintry mix, then to snow with some steady snow potential on Thursday as the temperatures crash again. So look at that. By Friday, snow tapers off, but bitter cold returns. And right now, the weekend looks good. I mean, it's cold Saturday, but a lot of sunshine and pretty quiet on Sunday. So midweek gonna be a complicated storm. So just bear with us, okay? This one's gonna provide us present us with a challenge for sure. All right, what do we got? I wish I could make it go away, Carolyn. I'm sorry. Oz is ready. Bring it on, he says. Very tricky. You're right, Adam. Very tricky. Thomas, some models are in somewhat agreement with snow ice storm. Yeah, they're just, don't even bother with the Weather Channel. I mean, anyone who puts snow amounts on a storm that is 3-4 days away is just, it's so ignorant to the science of meteorology, because weather is evolution and things change, okay? And I see all the posts, like, I'll post some things on Facebook, and you have the people that are like, could be rain, could be snow, you'll still get paid. But that's the way it is, and that's the way it's got to be. Don't hate the player, hate the game, right? But not, regardless, it's going to be a complicated storm. Hello, Sharon. How are you? D hates the snow. Celine, hoping it doesn't stall over us when we get a lot of snow. Yeah, Thursday could be interesting. I mean, like I said, I'm not putting numbers on it, but I think Thursday could be enough to shovel and plow. We'll see. Thank you, Joe. Appreciate it. No more places to put the snow. Yeah, hopefully you can get out and manage some of that tomorrow and Tuesday. The weather's going to be great those 2 days. Yeah, there's going to be a little meltage for sure. And also, the other facet of this storm is if that front stays to the north and west of us, not only will we have more mix and rain, but it could be heavy rain. And the snowpack on the ground is already retaining a lot of water, so that could lead to flooding issues. So there are a lot of question marks with this one. And again, we're going to be like right on the dividing line when it comes to what we're thinking in terms of snow. So that's kind of another look at it. So you can kind of get an idea, conceptualize how this might unfold. I do think it starts as rain, goes to mix, and it will snow Thursday. You'll get a little warm up into Tuesday, Janice. Low 40s should be good for that day. This cold is too much. Yeah. Well, we'll get a little break from it. Let's see. Well, I guess you could call it a mini thaw, but in February, right? It didn't come in January, that's for sure. Because by the time we get to Tuesday, it's February 1st. So we're likely going to finish January below average, at least in terms of the day-to-day temperatures. Hello, Karen. Janice says, I hope it wiggles straight out. Yeah, it's going to be, we'll see. We'll see what happens with this one. No getting stuck over us. Let's see. Yeah, if the front stays to the north and west, definitely more of a wintry mix and rain. So just depends on where that front is going to be. All right, Lisa, go watch the Rams. No getting stuck over us. Yeah, it looks like it might. That's the problem, Janice. That's the issue. Celine will take the rain any day. It's possible, Adam. We just have to kind of wait and see how this unfolds. So Janice is ready for spring. That's what they are, Edward. They're all meteorologists for the most part. Any responsible meteorologist is not putting numbers on a storm that's 3 or 4 days out. It's just not. They're just not doing it. They know better. So all of those, clickbait posts that you see are probably from somebody in their basement who's just a weather enthusiast. I don't know. But it annoys me, that's for sure. Yeah, we're gonna have to watch the snow piles become ice ball. I mean, they were out here at the station earlier trying to move some of the piles around. Brian got down to -2 last night. Now 11 degrees in Fairview. Yeah, another cold night. Too early, Bob. Way too early to get specific on snow amounts. I mean, this isn't really doesn't pick up in earnest until Wednesday night into Thursday. So, I mean, it's Sunday. We still have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then Thursday. So we're talking about a day 4 forecast. So, a lot could change. Yeah, Diane, definitely good, bad, and the ugly for sure. Let's see, Karen. Thank you, Robert. We appreciate it, man. Sometimes it humbles us. Let's see. Mother Nature at her best. You got it. Michael PennDOT. They try. They keep up as best they can. So, hello, Al. How are you? It starts as rain, Gary, on Wednesday, and then it goes to a wintry mix Wednesday night. That's what I'm really concerned about is the wintry mix. How long does that stay? Will we have any icy issues or ice issues? That's another thing. So there's just a lot of moving parts to this storm system right now. And we just kind of have to wait and see. We're just giving it our best guess, kind of taking an early stab at it. So Alex checking in from Mill Creek. All right, let's see, who else do we have? A lot of people saying hi to each other, which is fine. Probably, Max, maybe by late Tuesday, more than likely Wednesday. We'll see. That's probably the earliest call. I mean, because it's tricky. Anytime you throw in a wintry mix into the equation, sleet, freezing rain, the forecast could go all to hell. So it's complicated. So you got, just like I said, just give us a few days. We'll try and pin this down a little better. Bonnie loves every flake of snow but hates the cold. Can't have one without the other, right? We'll see, Mark. Personally, I think that we're kind of in the coldest period of winter right now. This is probably it. Now, I'm not saying it's not going to get cold again, but I think you remember going back to December how we were kind of up and down and then up and down. I think we're kind of going to revert back to that as we go into February. That's the way I believe that's how it's going to play out. So, not anytime soon, Alex. Not anytime soon. Hey, Linda, how are you? So, all right. So, listen, I think we're going to leave it there for tonight. I'll go back one more time so you can see kind of an early stab at what we're thinking in terms of the potential for some snow. I think Thursday, that's probably going to be the worst of it in terms of the snow. But it's going to be tricky because it depends on where that front is. That's what it's going to come down to. If that front, like I said, moves 20, 30, 40 miles either way, that's going to mean a whole difference. I mean, and you can see that we're right on the line. Some areas might mix in with sleet and snow, which would obviously keep the snow totals way down. There's going to be a band of heavy snow to the west, but I think as the colder air comes in Thursday, because temperatures are going to drop, that's when we will get our snow. And again, I think it could be significant. It could be significant. So just one of those things where we have to give it a few more days as we get more data in. So my lunge exercises, Lori. Yeah, I get into it. It is fun. I love the job, man. It's a good time. I appreciate it. Let's see. You're welcome, Karen. Tom's will be in tomorrow. Both Tom DeVecchio and Tom Atkins, and I'll be here later in the week. All right, that's going to do it for me. Thanks for checking in. Great talking with you guys tonight. And get ready. Could be a little messy here by midweek. See me tonight at 10 and 11 on TV. And if I don't talk to you then, I'll see you later on down the road. Probably going to be a busy week for yours truly as well as T Squared. All right. Hey, take care. Stay warm. Have a good night.